Yeah, thank you. Yeah, let us take a small example. Okay, if you go 10 years back, if you want to buy groceries or let it be clothes or everything, okay, what we will do, we will go to shop, we will go to shop and we will buy each and everything. For example, if we took the groceries, means first before going to shop, we will list it out all the groceries we require. Correct? We will make a note of all the groceries, right, before going to the shop. Okay, how much time it will take for you to go to the shop and to collect all the groceries which you require? Totally 2 hours to 4 hours. Okay, now if we consider current scenario, if you want to buy anything, let it be groceries or anything, what you will do, you will order them through, you are going to order them through online. What are the apps we are using? Like Big Basket, Zepto, and Blinkit, etc. Okay, these are all the apps we are utilizing in order to buy the groceries or whatever we want. We are online them through online. Where we are sitting at your home. Okay, we are not spending that much of time. Okay, but whatever the things we are required, we are getting through the third party apps. Correct? That means how much time it is taking to get all these things? Just less than below 1 hour. Correct? Below, like sometimes it will take only 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Correct? Below 1 hour. Not below 1 hour, also 30 minutes. Not more than 30 minutes. Correct? In the same way, if we consider in the current scenario in the software industry, okay, see, let me take one of the banking application. Let me consider any one of the bank application. Okay, this is the one of the bank ICICI bank application. Okay, see, now this ICICI bank has having a requirement. Okay, they want to develop an they require web application in order to provide all the services to their customers. Okay, now this is already an developed application. What they will do, developers will develop this application. Correct? Once they develop this application, they will hand over to the testers team. What testing team will do? Testing team will test each and every feature. Okay, whatever the development team has developed. Okay, whether they have met the client requirements or not. Okay, whatever the features. See, now once we open this ICICI bank, we are able to see accounts services, card services, loan services, invest services, insure services. These are all the services. Okay, there is a requirement to the client that once they open this application, okay, they should have to see the account service. Okay, here A should be caps and spelling should be correct, accounts. Okay, and they have a requirement like once they mouse over on this arrow button, they should have to see these many savings accounts, deposits, forex, and way to bank. These are all options they should have to see once they mouse over on this accounts arrow button. Okay, and once after this, besides of this accounts button, they should have the cards. Okay, this is how the requirement will be. What manual testers will do, they will log in whether that URL is working fine or not. Okay, and they will check each and every feature is working. The main motto of the manual testing is to deliver a quality product to the customers, and it should be a defect free application. Okay, that is our motto by the end of the day. Okay, what manual testers will do? They will write the steps. If we consider this ICICI Bank one only, okay, how they will write the steps? Open. First step should be open URL. Once you open the URL, okay, you should have to verify account services visible or not. Okay, once visible, what they will do? Mouse over. Correct? Once they mouse over, what they need to do? They should have to see accounts. See, once they mouse over, they have to see the savings accounts, deposits, forex, ways to bank. Correct? They will write each and everything. Savings accounts. Okay. Comma, deposits are visible. Okay. Each and every step they will write. And they will check manually each and everything. They first open this URL, okay, and they will check whether this accounts is visible or not, and they will mouse over here, and they should have to see savings accounts, deposits, forex, ways to bank is visible or not. In this way, they will write the steps. How much time it is taken? Just fraction of seconds only, right? Then what is the need of going for automation? There is no, is there any need? Just it is taking fraction of seconds, right? Even if you go with the manual also, then what is the reason of going to automation? Yes, manual having more, there will be a chance
human mistakes.
Yeah, human mistakes will be there, and reusability is not here. Okay, if you execute these test cases, okay, for example, imagine guys, in order to develop this application, how much time it will take? Within night they can't develop this application, right? It might take more than nearly 1 year to develop this entire application. Okay, correct? So for this application, how many test cases we can able to write? Imagine there will be like thousands, we can able to write thousands of test cases, correct? In order to execute these thousands of test cases, how much time it will take? In my team, I am having only 5 people. Okay. And I am having a requirement that these 1000 test cases should have to executed by 5 people within a week. In a week. Is it possible? Within a week, 5 people should have to execute all these test cases. Is it possible? No, right? So what happened? At that time, automation comes into picture. Okay. We can able to execute thousands of test cases within short span of time. Okay. There is no human errors will be happen. Time will be saved. Human efforts will be reduced. Correct? So that is the reason we are going to have automation testing. There are many people, okay. I am not sure how many are freshers from here, or how many are already working as an automation tester, okay, and how many are still still working as a manual QA, manual tester. But if you want to get job, if you are still working as a manual tester, okay, or if you are trying to learn only manual testing, and if you are searching for a job in the market, frankly speaking guys, there is no jobs in the market if you are having only manual knowledge. Okay, Along with the manual knowledge, you should have to upgrade your skills. Okay, you need to learn the any one of the automation tool. Okay, most of the people know only that Selenium is the trending one in the market, but there is another tool also that is trending in the market now, that is TOSCA. Okay, yeah, before going to TOSCA, I will let you know, okay, about this Selenium. As a man, for example, if your people are having experience in manual testing, okay, if you are having experience as a as, as a manual tester for 3 years, okay, consider. And if you want to upgrade your skills, okay, if you go along with the manual testing and if you are trying for the jobs outside, there is no jobs at all. Okay, so if you are having 3 years of manual testing experience and if you want to upgrade your skills, okay, then which is the best option, whether Selenium or Tosca, which one I have to choose? Okay, if you are in dilemma, please observe clearly what I am trying to say. Okay, then choose as you like. Okay, if you are having experience for 3 years and if you want to upgrade your skills and you are not sure, let it be if you are from IT background or non-IT background. Okay, I can say this testing is the best domain for freshers. Okay, they can easily learn. Okay, if you consider, if you are choosing Selenium, for example, okay, think you now you are having 3 years of experience and you are trying to choose Selenium. Okay, and if you want to upgrade your skill with the Selenium tool. Okay, see, if you want to learn Selenium, you should have to learn all the programming languages. You should have to learn Java, Python, correct? And each and every day you should have to upgrade yourself. Okay, whatever the new technology comes into market, you should have to learn all those things, correct? And interviews also, if you the time taken to learn this Java is Selenium course is minimum 4 to 6 months. 4 to 6 months. And once you learn, you should be good enough. Okay, you should be good enough to write the programs or codes. Okay, you should be good enough to write programs. Okay, and if you are trying to attend the interviews, having 1+ years of experience on manual testing and you are trying to keep 2+ years of experience on Selenium, are you able to survive in the current market? Just think a while. Okay, you are having 3 years of experience on manual testing. Okay, in your resume you are going to keep 1 year experience as a manual tester and 2 years experience on Selenium. Are you able to crack the interviews and are you going to able to survive in the current market? Because each and every day you should have to upgrade yourself. Okay, and while during the interview period also, they will ask you to share your screen and they will ask you to write the programs. Okay, you should have a good knowledge on the programming side, correct? I think it won't be possible if you are a experienced people. For a fresher, it would be okay, they can able to crack the interview because they are the freshers, they will expect less knowledge from them. But as an experienced people, if you are trying to upgrade yourself, okay, then my suggestion is that Selenium is not that much good enough. And nowadays, currently the projects running with the Selenium tool are also migrating to TOSCA. Why these people are migrating to TOSCA means, let me tell you. And this Selenium is a free open source tool. open source tool. Okay, and it will support only web applications. Okay, it won't support desktop applications, API, nothing. Okay, it will support only web applications. And now let us come to our TOSCA. What is the beauty lies in this TOSCA? The beauty is that it is a zero coding, scriptless automation tool. Okay, scriptless automation tool. You can easily learn this tool, okay, within 30 days period of time. Within 30 days period of time, you can learn this TOSCA tool. Okay, no coding will be there. But, and the one thing is that it is not a free source tool. It is a paid tool. Paid tool. You might get several questions. If it is a paid tool, how can we work on this tool? How can we practice on this tool? Okay, this TOSCA was developed by Tricentis company. Did you heard about this Tricentis company? Tricentis. Okay, Tricentis company is the one which introduced TOSCA into the market. Okay, this TOSCA tool was owned by Tricentis company. Okay, and its headquarters is at Austria, and in India it is located at Pune in India. Okay, and this tool was developed in the year 2007. Okay, and it will support all kind of applications. It will support web applications, web, desktop, mainframes, Oracle, Unix, everything, API, everything, all etc. All kind of applications it supports. And a new feature also introduced into the TOSCA. No other third-party tools has introduced this feature, that is AI. That is artificial intelligence. This is recently trending in the market. Okay, this artificial intelligence also was, this feature was also introduced in TOSCA tool, TOSCA automation tool. Okay, and it is a model based automation tool. Okay, model based automation tool. Why? Because here there is no coding. Okay, only everything is lies in the model. From the models on mode, it is a model based automation tool. Okay, going forward we will learn this regarding this one. Okay, and here we can integrate TOSCA with multiple tools. Okay, integrate TOSCA with Jira, HPALM, Solution Manager, okay, and QTest, ADO, Azure DevOps. Okay, these are all the integration tools. We can able to integrate TOSCA with all these kind of tools. And Test data management. Okay. Usually we have third-party tools like Jenkins, correct? But TOSCA have itself integrated in TOSCA, that is called distributed execution. Okay. The thing is that if you automate n number of test cases, okay, we can able to automate and we can execute n number of test cases and we can pull the reports. Okay, here we can able to reuse the test cases whenever we require. We can reuse the steps as well. Okay, and we can do the execution in bulk. Okay, and if the execution time is also very minimal. Okay, if you consider about 600 test cases, if you want to run them in a suit, okay, it will take only 2 to 3 hours. Okay, very fraction of seconds, and we can pull the data reports with fail test cases, what are the past test cases, where are the errors we are getting. Okay, and if you require any screenshots wherever it get failed, we can get them as well through the reports as well. Okay, data driven framework is also possible here. Data driven framework in TOSCA tool itself, that is inbuilt one, that is test case design section. So data driven framework is also possible here. You will have a one doubt where we will get the requirement. Okay, manual testers will write the test cases. Okay, with those test cases we are going to automate the application. Okay, we will build the scripts depending upon the manual test steps. Okay, we will have the here most of the projects were following agile methodology. Okay, you will have one product owner and the team size also very less in the TOSCA automation tool. Okay, very few people, like 3 to 4 people. Okay, and most of the companies are having tie up with the Tricentis company. So the companies, all the MNCs companies, service based, product based, level 1, level 2, level 3 companies, all the companies, okay, all are preferring to TOSCA only. Currently the projects which are working on the Selenium tool, okay, those projects are also migrating to TOSCA. Okay, now in current market they are looking for a people who knows manual knowledge. If they have Selenium, okay, even though they are having Selenium knowledge, they are expecting at least 1+ year of experience on TOSCA. The reason behind is that all the Selenium projects are also going to migrate to TOSCA. Okay, you will have a question. Do we have future if we go with the TOSCA? Because trending now, current market is trending with Selenium. Are you sure if you we will have future if you work in TOSCA, if you learn TOSCA? Yes, I am 100% sure that you will have a bright future if you go with the TOSCA. Okay, there is a chance that TOSCA will replace sometime in future with Selenium as well. Right now, it's all as I earlier told you that Selenium is also going to replace with TOSCA because most of the projects were migrating. Okay, I will show you the jobs as well. I already opened. If you ask me the current scenario from past 1 year, the hiring is a lot. Okay, we have multiple jobs on TOSCA in the market. Okay, see TOSCA automation engineer 3 days ago. In very short span of time, you can learn easily. Okay, see how many jobs were there in every location, not in offshore. Okay, Even on-site also you are having opportunities on TOSCA. It doesn't matter if you are a fresher, okay, whatever it might be. I can say if you are a fresher, the testing will be the best platform for you. Okay, within short span of time you can get the job. Okay, see, and the certifications, if you're experienced people, it is better to do the certifications. Okay, the basic certifications were AS1, AS2, AE1, TDS1, TDS2. Okay, automation specialist level 1, automation specialist level 2, automation engineer 1, test data services level 1, test data services level 2. These are all the certifications. Okay, these are all free certifications. Okay, you can log into Tricentis Academy, you can register to it, and you can do certifications. Okay, if you're experienced people, if you do at least AS1 and AS2, these two are the basic certifications. It will add more value to your resume.
Hello, ma'am. Sorry for disturbance. Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, could you please tell me the website?
Tricentis Academy.
Okay, got it.
First, you should have to register to Tricentis support portal. I will provide you the guidelines how to do these certifications. Okay, if you join this course, it is more enough. You can complete these two certifications. These are all the basic certifications. AS1 and AS2 are the basic certifications. Okay. These AE1, AE, TDS1, TDS2, these are required for the people who are having more than 7 to 10 plus years of experience on TOSCA. Okay. Below 3 years, 4 years, you can go with AS1 and AS2. Test data service. Level 1 and test data service level 2. These are all the certifications. Okay. And guys, this is completely 1 week free TOSCA sessions will be held for you. Okay. 5 days, completely 5 days free TOSCA sessions will be held. Okay. If you are okay with this demo sessions, sorry, these demo sessions, you can register. Okay. Management will provide you one form. Please try to complete that form, fill that form. Okay. And register yourself. And regarding to the fee payment, everything, management will let you know. Okay. If you join this course, okay, if you join this TOSCA course, it will be mostly 35 days of course. Okay, where I will cover TOSCA web application and API testing as well. Basics of API testing. I will take nearly 5 days of class for API testing and 30 days for TOSCA. This TOSCA course is 5 days free course. Okay, if you are ready to join this course after 5 days, you should have to connect with the management. Okay, try to register there. Okay, and pay the fee for them so that you can continue in this TOSCA course. And daily recordings will be sent for you. Okay, diary notes I will share. I will show you the previous batch which we have. This is the TOSCA tool. This is the logo of Tricentis TOSCA. And free manual classes will be held for you if you join these TOSCA sessions. And I will provide you guidance for how to do certifications, resume preparation, mock interviews will be conducted by me. Okay, I will give you the interview questions and assignments will be given, and every Saturday I will clear all your doubts. These are all the benefits you will get once you join this course. Believe me guys, if you join this course, you will get a confidence. Even if you are having 3+ years of experience as a manual tester also, you can keep 1+ year as a manual tester, and you can go ahead and keep your resume with 2 to 3+ years of experience on TOSCA. Okay, see, I will show you the test cases which were done by previous batches. And let me know, this is a TOSCA automation tool. Okay, in brief about this tool, we will going to discuss in further classes, no issues. These are all the test cases which we built in the previous batch. See, did you find any coding here? Did you find any coding here? No, right? Once you see the steps, you're able to understand what are the action you're going to perform inside the test case. See, we are opening an URL. You are going to click on register. You're filling all the details. See, it is having proper naming convention, proper folder structure, correct? Nowhere you will find the coding here. 0% coding. Wherever, whatever you want to open. See. Without coding, we are going to handle each and everything. As I mentioned, data-driven testing will be done in the test case design section. You will have issues, requirements. Okay, each and everything is inbuilt inside the TOSCA tool only. No need to go ahead with the third-party tools. Test planning, requirement, each and everything. Execution. And if you want to pull the report also, you are going to pull the report from the execution list directly. Going further classes, I will let you know about each and everything clearly. Okay. Guys, do you have any doubts as of now?
Will it cover database testing using TOSCA, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Big
Okay.
data, database, everything we are going to handle through TOSCA. Each and everything can be handled by TOSCA.
And you are saying API testing with the TOSCA only basics.
Yeah, TOSCA with API, API TOSCA.
Okay.
Basics. 5 days class will be covered
Okay.
for TOSCA. And we are going to work on the web application. And I will let you know how to register to TOSCA. Okay, how to get the license, how you need to work on this tool. Okay, as I told you that it is not a free source tool. We need to buy the license from the Tricentis TOSCA. In order to buy that license, actually companies are investing a lot. Actually, companies are investing more than 11 lakhs in order to get that license. Even though that is cost, why companies are preferring to the TOSCA tool means, okay, try to compare how much flexibility is, okay, what are all the benefits you are going to get. Okay, if you want to pull any report, if you want to execute how many number of test cases, okay, the execution time will be less time. Okay, and you can pull the reports. Each and everything is in minimal time.
After the 5 days, what is the time of class? TOSCA class?
Every day 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. the class will be held. Okay, from Monday to Saturday. Saturday mostly I will clear your doubts. Okay, and assignments I will give you. Each and everything what we are teaching, I will share the notes and recordings will be shared to you on daily basis. Okay, I will share the interview questions and I will help you out with the resume preparation and guidance for the certifications as well. And you will provide free manual testing classes as well.
How far this TOSCA supports testing with using mainframes?
It will support mainframes as well. For mainframes, we are inside while you are installing the TOSCA, we need to enable one option so that you can work on mainframe as well.
Okay. So we can automate testing using TOSCA in mainframes.
Yes.
Okay.
Guys, make sure that this is 5 days demo session. It's free for 5 days only. Okay, once from next week onwards, if you want to join this TOSCA session, you should have to register. Okay, right now I think organization has provided you the links in the chat box. Go through that. Okay, try to fill those forms and register yourself. Okay, confirm them so that we will continue the class after 1 week.
One
But
more
these
question. In
these
this
5 days
training,
will be the demo sessions.
sorry, one more question. In this session, will you cover how it can work with the mainframes using TOSCA?
Here we are going to cover in this 5 days demo session, we are going to cover only how to install the TOSCA, how to get the license, how to create the modules. Okay, the overview of TOSCA.
Okay, so once we paid for the session, so in that, will you going to cover this mainframe thing as well?
Mainframes, not completely. I will try to show you how to do that 1 or 2 sessions if required. Because most of the companies were preferring to web applications, mostly 90%. Okay, for demo purpose, we are showing only web applications. If you want to work on other like mainframes or everything, we will require the licenses. Okay, it is not that much possible to get all those licenses.
Okay, actually, I'm from mainframe background, so that I'm asking only.
Whatever it might be, but you should have to know the tool will be the same. Okay, in the trial version what you are going to work, in the live project also the same tool would be there, no difference in the tool. Okay, the only application will be differs. Okay, nowhere application will be same, right? Application only will be differs, but you should have to and learn how to scan those controls, and you should have to learn how to build those scripts. Okay, how to give the naming convention. Okay, how to maintain those folder structures. You should have to learn the basic things first.
Okay.
The only thing is the different application will be different, everything would be same.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, fees for it.
Sorry.
Rohaniya, ma'am, what is the fees for TESCO?
Yeah, you need to contact with the organization, they will let you know.
Okay.
They have already provided the links in the chat box. You can go through that. You can connect with those people. If you are currently learning Selenium also, you can check with the organization. Okay, and you can join the TOSCA classes as well.
Java classes 8 to 9 regularly. Then after that, TOSCA class, how we join?
If you are willing to join TOSCA as well, okay, even if you are learning Java, and if you also want to learn TOSCA, how many, if your majority of the people were there, I can speak with the management. Okay, I can speak with the organization so that they will adjust the timings. Yes, Chaitanya.
So me learning Selenium as well. Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay. I'm taking a Selenium course also here. So that's why.
Okay.
Using the same timings 8 to 9, we have Selenium class. So that's why we are requesting you, if you have joined, what will be the timings?
I will check with the organization and I will let you know.
Okay.
One question from my side, ma'am. Since
Yeah.
TOSCA is a licensed version, how to practice on it? Do we need to buy anything or?
No.
should
Tricentis company has provided free for trial purpose. They have developed one application as well. Okay, and they are going to provide free license for 2 months. If that license got expired, again you need to register with your new mail ID. Okay, so that they will approve your license. Okay, how to register, how to get the license, how to work on that tool, how to install that one, I will help you out. No worries to that. Okay.
Okay.
Even it is a paid tool also, we can get those things. No issues on that.
One question from my side, ma'am. You said trial per access for it, right? It's the same.
Mallikarjuna, your voice is breaking. We are unable to hear you. If anything is there, you can post it in the chat box. Your voice is not clear, Mallikarjuna. Guys, if you are freshers also, don't worry. Okay, don't think that only experienced people are having in jobs for TOSCA. Okay, don't think like that. Okay, if you learn TOSCA each and everything very clearly. Okay, if you do any as a fresher, they won't expect certifications from you. Okay, be good enough with the manual terminology. Okay, and be aware of all the concepts related to TOSCA. That is quite enough. You can easily crack the job.
Actually, like TOSCA supports AI. What about the Selenium?
Sorry, it was not clear from your end.
You are told like that TOSCA supports AI. What about the Selenium?
It will support only web applications. It
Presently training AI. So that's why I'm asking AI supports TOSCA supports AI.
yes, artificial intelligence feature is introduced in TOSCA.
Okay.
Madam, what would be the salary for a fresher in TOSCA, ma'am?
Sorry?
What would be the salary for a fresher in TOSCA?
Starting, it is like now each and every fresher, we are getting like 7 to 8 lakhs.
Okay, ma'am.
But you have multiple opportunities in offshore and on-site as well. Just now, organization has posted in the chat. Try to fill that form. Okay.
Yeah,
Is
everyone, please fill that form so that we'll reach out to you if you have any queries regarding the course.
Hi, ma'am. Actually, is this good for the career gap persons?
Sorry, Umarani, your voice is not clear. Could you please
Is
post
this
it?
is this good for the career gap?
Career gap students?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Did you, as I shown in the tool, did you find anywhere coding? No, right? You can, how many years of gap you are having?
Actually, more than 10 years.
Even, see, even you are having 10 plus years of experience of 10 plus years of gap also, no worries. You can manage yourself, like you can, it is easy to learn. Okay, you can manage. Okay, but you need to fill that gap. How you can fill that gap is that you can mention like you have tried for the government jobs or some other, you have worked in a schools. Okay, as a teacher, you can mention like that, no worries. Okay.
Okay.
But I can say it is very easy to learn.
Yeah.
Gap is not a mandatory. Okay.
Okay.
So if you have any career gap, so no worries. We are also conducting the guidance session for the career gap students. So if you reach out to us, so that we'll guide you. So how to cover that career gap.
Yeah, we can manage that in resume, no issues. We can support on that one.
So
We
we
will
will
provide
guide you
that.
how to fill that gap.
One question, my side.
Yes, Mallikarjuna.
Yeah, you said that course duration is 35 days. They will consider as a fresher, right? Once you give the certificate from learning.
Not learning certification we will provide. We will provide you the guidance how to do certifications for TOSCA.
Okay, it will take how much time to complete all the certifications in TOSCA?
If you want to complete any one of the certifications like AS1, it will require, you should have to go through all those videos, okay? And within 72 hours, you can able to complete that interview, that certification.
Based on certification, they will consider we will how fit that TOSCA
Yeah,
job.
it will come as a TOSCA certified.
Okay. Then based on that, they will consider you are a TOSCA learner, perfect learner. They will choose. They will.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
That is TOSCA's Tricentis provided certification, okay? Not from our organization. That is
Okay.
directly from the Tricentis TOSCA. From the company itself, you will get that certification.
Okay. Sure.
Because you are logging into the Tricentis Academy, okay?
Mm.
And you are doing the course there. It is a free course. Okay, once you go complete that course, at last you will have the certification exam. If you do that, you will get the certificate.
Okay. We need to upload that in our resume. Then we need to go to crack the interview.
Yeah, it will add value to your resume actually.
Okay.
Do AS1 and AS2. These two are basic certifications.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thanks everyone. See you tomorrow. Join at the same time tomorrow as well, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Bye everyone.
Bye, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Automation class is there? Hello?
Sorry.
Yes.
Automation will be there today?
See, automation will
Selenium?
continue after this TOSCA sessions. So
Selenium?
Yeah,
Okay.
from Monday onwards, you will get the regular Selenium sessions. So these are all the demo sessions. So we have promised you to teach you TOSCA basics, right? So that's why we are organizing the TOSCA demo sessions.
So from today onwards, Selenium will not be there for the
So
week.
no Selenium for this week. So from Monday onwards, your Selenium sessions will resume.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you.
So if you are attending Selenium sessions and you are also interested for TOSCA, please let us know. We will discuss and we will fix one time for this TOSCA. First attend the demo sessions. Maybe up to Friday or Saturday, the sessions will be there. First attend these demo sessions. Later, we will discuss about it.
Oh.
Anything else you want to discuss? Actually, your name was not popping up here. It is with the education factors. Are you clear?
No, no question.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So if you have any queries, please let us know. Otherwise, you can leave the session and join tomorrow at 8 p.m.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you.